about activating the best version of you. Team Prime Worldwide, this is your moment. This is your season. This is your time. And on my count, I would like you to shout, "Get amplified."
Team Prime Worldwide Amplified Learn 2026!
You know, our body is a miracle of self-repair. We nourish it, we rest it. Most importantly, we should respect it.
We are so grateful to become part of one of the biggest teams, the Team Prime Worldwide.
From IBC La Union, we were grateful to process and invite our members to be part of this powerful movement. We believe this event amplified vision, leadership, and results for everyone.
This is a proof and a celebration of your dedication, hard work, and commitment sa ating team.
Thank you sa ating Panginoong Jesus dahil tinulungan niya tayo na makamit to. Kaya po siya. Nagawa na po namin. Alam niyo po ba, yung mga deepest why po natin, kung may mga anak po tayo, di ba? Kung may mga asawa at may mga magulang pa po tayo. Alam mo bang hinahantay ka lang talaga nila na maging successful? Pero ang tanong, kailan?
Pag-inom ko ng barley, pinakaunang napansin ko was nag-clear yung skin ko caused by high androgen levels.
Ang aking determinasyon po upang gumaling po through exercise and doctors and nurses and family and friends po and our amazing pure organic barley po.
Before the result, there's the struggles. Kung ano yung pinagdaanan nila, pagdadaanan mo. At kung ano yung pwedeng naging lesson nila, magiging lesson mo din. Every challenge and every lessons na pagdadaanan mo, babaunin mo yan para sa next chapter.
Tingnan mo siya at sabihin mo, Happy Amplified Day to you! Pakisabi nga sa kanila, ikaw na ang next! Halos lahat ng products natin, palakpakan natin yan lahat.
Maraming struggles. Kaya pagdating sa mission, maraming nawawala. Pero kung malinaw sa'yo ang vision, ikaw yung tatagal. Kaya means, huwag kang papayag na maging smiley ka na lang.
Sa negosyo natin na to, dadaan talaga tayo sa hirap. Di ba sinasabi nga nila, no pain, no gain.
May mga full-timers ba dito sa IM? Taas ang kamay. Ayan, be proud.
Today is all about turning out the volume what makes us exceptional. Our passion, our teamwork, our shared commitment to excellence.
Naramdaman mo rin ba sa sarili mo na next year ako naman dyan? Kaya ngayong taon sipagan mo.
Hindi tumububo kung wala ang bawat isa sa inyo dito. Kung naintindihan nyo kung bakit andito kayo, itodo nyo, gawin nyo. Huwag na kayo mag-isip ng iba-iba pa. Lagi yung tandaan, kasama mo si Lord. Tandaan mo, ikaw na yung next.